This is Becca Bernfin from USD 457. I'm here today to talk about how to make a bathroom log with a QR code. This particular application only uses Office 365 forms. In multiple ways, you can also use this for Google and the Google Suite. However, I did it with Office 365 because all of our office staff could have access to it. So let's get going on how you can make this. The first thing you're going to do is sign in. I'm already pre-signed in. So when I open up to Microsoft Office Suite Online, I'm always going to have these icons, okay? So you're going to need the Forms icon. When you go into forms, it'll ask you two questions. You want to make a new form or a new quiz. In this case, we're going to do a form, okay? You're going to make a bathroom log form. Remember, you can use this application, this forms application with QR code for literally anything that you want your students to respond to. So you're going to put bathroom log, and then you can put a subheading. Remember, anything that you write, though, the students can see. So sometimes it becomes cumbersome. Bathroom monitoring system. Okay. And then I always like to pick a cute theme. So we're going to do Under the Sea just because I don't want to look at some themes, but this also makes it very colorful and vibrant for students to see. So we're going to do 3 questions as it relates to the bathroom log. The first question is going to be what teacher they're from. And if this is at the elementary school level, maybe you want to know what block they're in. So if they're in a reading block or a math block or a science block, would be the best option. So select teacher's name below. And then you're going to add all those options. So in our school, we have multiple teachers. And since our admin monitors this, we usually keep it alphabetical order. So say you have a new teacher enter your class and it messes that up. You can easily use this feature to go ahead and fix that. So we're just going to go with 5 teachers here. So this, again, works for middle school, intermediate school, or high school to have them select teachers. At the elementary school level, I would suggest subject slots. So you want to make this a required question. You want to know what class they're coming out of. And then also, I want to make this a drop-down option. The reason for this is it makes it quicker for students to look through teachers. So we're going to preview this really quickly, where you can see that they're going to be asking what teacher, and then they can select that teacher. All right, then we're going to go back and we're going to add our second question. Our second question is going to be, again, a choice. We need to know if they're checking in or checking out. So the first one is they're checking out. Usually they check out to go to the bathroom. And the second option is they're checking in. So they just quickly scan the QR code just once, and then when they get back to their iPad that's sitting there, they'll just put review another response, and then it goes in. In this case, we want it to be required again, but not necessarily a drop down. So we'll go ahead and preview it now. It's really easy. There's only 2 options for a student to select check in or check out. All right, we're going on to our third question, and this is going to be a different question type. We're actually going to use 8 text, and our question is type your name. Example, John Doe. And so this is going to be where students write their name, especially when students have very common first names and last names. You want to make sure that they enter their full name. Okay, so you have completed all 3 questions for your bathroom log. We can now preview it here. They're going to select what homeroom they're in, or again, elementary, what block they're in. They're checking in or checking out, and then again, their name. So let's pretend this was us. I'm going for Miss Graham's class. I'm checking out, and I'm putting my name there. And I'm submitting. Okay, and the reason I do this is just for you guys to be able to see what the responses look like. So right here is where all your data will come from. Admins can look at how many teachers are letting certain students out at a time. And teachers are also, for elementary level, can monitor when the most bathroom use is. Maybe we need to go in group, as a group to the bathroom. And then when you open it in Excel, you're able to see your data. So what time they started and what time they completed. One of the things I didn't cover is that I didn't add like a calendar or a timestamp. And that's because every form you do is automatically timestamped. So you can tell what time I started the check-in, what time I started the checkout. And then that way you can see how long it's preferably taking a student. This right here reminds me of how to make your form accessible to everyone in your classroom. So I'm going to go back there now. Okay, you're going to go to share, and at the top here, you're going to want to make sure that anyone with the link can respond. Your students aren't going to have Office 365 emails. And so this link can go to anyone, but the easiest way to share it with students is downloading a QR code. So you'd simply download it, and you can print 2 to a page, 4 to a page, 6 to a page, however big you would like it. Do you want it on your tables or your walls? Is this just for your classroom or for the whole school? At our school, we did 2 to a page, and it sits on the door of every classroom. Okay, and collaboration time. So one, you can share this link with just about anyone. You can duplicate this form in order to share out in your building. Or most importantly, I'm going to collaborate with our admins, which is how we use it. We give this link, we just copy it and send it to our admins. And then that way they also own this form and are able to track who's in and out all day. This is a great tool as it becomes for behavior problems or just monitoring how we can best use our hallways. If there is a certain time of day that a homeroom teacher or hallway is using the bathroom more. So that is all the features I have for you today. I hope this was super easy and super awesome. I am really excited to see how this helps your classroom and or school. So don't be afraid to share it with me. You can contact me in the district at 8217 or rburnfin@gckschools.com. Additionally, if you want to follow me on Twitter or Instagram, I'm always available for a good conversation and great collaboration. I hope you have a great day.